Welcome to the Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and I'll show you how to the fingerprint scanner test of this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the our power key button, and now I'll just make a 5 tries to unlock the device, and we will see how fast this unlock method is. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, I just unlock the device with a really simple touches. So I just slightly touch the power key button here, and as can you see, the device unlocked really fast and really simple. So the fingerprint scanner works really good here. So if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the pin codes, passcodes, you can try the fingerprint scanner. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.